No, is you have a choice here of wine paired with chocolate, a white plate, or you can do a red plate, wine paired with chocolate. So those are prefixed, you can't really play with those guys. But also keep in mind while you're looking at them, these are all real estate wines. So these are all, these reds are from our vineyard down below by the lake. We have our whites vineyard here right beside us.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, everything you're gonna be drinking
Wow.
is real estate from our vineyards made in the building here behind us. Taste your first chocolate on your left, and then go back and taste your wine again. So it's going to be wine, chocolate, wine. So you're going to hit that wine a second time and notice the difference just from the, yeah. Like I said, I brought a menu for everybody. So you have a little cheat sheet. White, so you're starting with your oak Chardonnay.
Starting there and starting here.
Yes.
Okay,
exactly.
and you go, okay. I got the order, thank you.